Welcome to myViewBoard 3.0. In this quick guide, we'll walk through how to install the app whether you're on Windows or a ViewBoard. There are 3 ways to get started. Let's start through the myViewBoard website. This is a different version of myViewBoard. It won't replace your current app. You'll install it as a separate application. Just head to myviewboard.com to download it. Click the Download Now button to begin. Here, you'll see 3 download options. Click Windows, 64-bit. A pop-up will appear. Choose where to save the installer on your device. You'll see the file downloading on the top right corner of your browser. Once the download finishes in your browser, double-click the file to open it. Click Install. Then wait for the app to finish installing and launch. When installation is done, a welcome screen will appear with a quick tour of the app. For the second method, you can also sign in at myviewboard.com. Open the left side menu. Click Download Center under Resources and choose the version that matches your device. For the third method on your ViewBoard, tap Open the myViewBoard app from your home screen. If an update is available, you'll see a pop-up. If you don't see the notification prompt, you can also initiate the myViewBoard updater through the Settings menu. Go to the Information tab to find the Update myViewBoard button. Tap Yes to begin. Click Install. Then let the update install automatically. After it finishes, click Open. Here you'll see a welcome pop-up and in-app tutorials. Just sign in like usual, and you're ready to go. Prefer to install through your device's App Store? You'll find the myViewBoard 3.0 app in the Google Play Store, Microsoft Store, and the Apple Store. Need help or want to check device compatibility? Visit the knowledge base, link in the description below, or explore support options in the description below. That's it, you're ready to teach with smarter tools and a fresh new layout. Check out the next video to set up your account.